Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's see once theory of fringes, and because it's a very important question, so whatever doubts you have got in the last class, mostly you won't get any that type of doubts now. Let's see that. Theory of fringes. Five more question. Okay. Theory of fringes. Let us consider. Let's see. Theory right like that. Let's see. What you have to remember. Let us consider two sources, S1 and S2. These are the two sources, and distance between, like slits, you can even say slits, sources or slits also you can say. So two sources, S1 and S2, the distance between these two is, we have to take small d. Okay, one of the perpendicular line I have drawn to the screen, that is A. It is a perpendicular line drawn from the S1 to S2 to A. Now, one of the point, that point is P. Here the two rays will meet. When the two rays meet at this point, that point we have considered as a P. Is it bright fringe or dark fringe? That we will find. I will tell you, is it bright fringe or dark fringe? That we will discuss. Okay. Now, here, this point vertical position is Y. Vertical position of this point is Y. It is called vertical position. Vertical position of this point is P. Angular position of that point P is theta. Angular position of that point is theta. Try to understand clearly. Angular position of this point is theta, and vertical position of the point is Y. And these are the slits or sources, and distance between the sources is small d, and distance between the source and screen is capital D. Any doubt is there?
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, again, can you explain, sir? I was not able to hear
Yeah,
properly.
come on, please. Let's see. Let us consider, when you are writing the theory of fringes, let us consider two sources, S1 and S2. Okay? The distance between the sources is small d. The line drawn perpendicular to the sources to screen is OA. And one of the point we have taken on the screen. So it is that is the point there two rays will meet. Two rays meet at a point on the screen, that we have taken P. The distance between source and screen is capital D. Now, vertical position of the point. This point vertically, how much distance it is there? Y distance. And this point angular position is theta. vertical position is this, angular position is this. So that point angular position is theta, vertical position is y. Any doubt? Anybody? Prisha,
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
is it clear now perfectly?
Yes, sir.
See, now we are going to find this point is bright fringe or dark fringe. Bright fringe means what will happen? When will you get bright fringe? When will you get bright fringe?
Constructive.
Yes, in
Constructive.
constructive interference, you will get the bright fringe. Destructive interference, you will get the dark fringe. So we have to find is that point is bright fringe or dark fringe. Before that, whatever I explained, write like a theory. Let us consider two sources, S1 and S2. Two rays are coming from the S1 and S2. Meet at a point P on the screen. The vertical position of the point is Y and the angular position of the point is theta. Angular position of the point is theta, vertical position of the point is y. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, one approximation or one assumption. First assumption, in even when you are solving the problems, until you solve the problems or when you are writing the question, now what we have to find is this point is bright fringe or dark fringe, that we have to find out. So what you have to assume, assumption or approximation. First approximation, let's see. Initially, after written about that diagram, about that figure, initially at t equal to 0 seconds, the phase difference or the path difference is how much? Initially at t equal to 0, what is the path difference? Is there any path difference at t equal to 0? Hello? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Kushi, any doubt about the diagram?
No, sir.
Is it clear? Everything is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because every time it is not possible to revise. I will revise next, I will revise tomorrow. It is not possible. This type of questions, when you are listening, even that time you have to practice. After once if you open, you can't do that. Okay, you can't.
Sir, small d is the path difference, sir.
No, small d is the distance between the sources.
So which one is the path difference then, sir?
I will tell you. I didn't say that path difference. Now, path difference means, see once at a t equal to 0, is there any difference? It is both are at rest only, right? Both are at rest. Rays didn't start from the source, right? Hello. Hello. Likita?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Initially, at a t equal to 0, is there any path difference? No path difference, because even rays didn't come out from the sources. Okay, there is no any path difference. Both are in the same place. Clear? Both are at rest. Means from that slits there is no light. Light is not coming out from the source. So path difference how much here? 0. Hello. Hello. Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Clear, ma? Understand
Yes,
clearly. First,
yes.
path difference is not there because sources didn't emit light. Light didn't come out from the sources. Okay. Initially, at rest. Understand clearly. Bhanu Prasad. Bhanu Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see. After some time gap, what will happen? We know. After some time gap, path difference will come. So that path difference we have to calculate. To calculate that path difference, first assumption or first approximation. First approximation. First approximation. First approximation is screen is very, very far from source. Source. Screen is very, very far from source. So what will happen means the distance between the sources, that means D is very, very greater than D, small d. Am I clear this approximation? First one. Sanchit. Anjali.
Yes, sir.
Anjali, is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
See, what I'm saying, first approximation I'm taking to find out the path difference after some time. Initially, path difference is 0, but after some time gap, path difference will come. So that path difference, if I want to calculate, what is the first approximation I have taken? Screen is very, very far from source. That means this distance is very greater than this distance. So this distance is very, very small. This distance is very big. That means what will happen? Ray at S1 ray at O, and ray at S2, all are parallel. All are parallel. It is S1 ray, it is S2 ray, it is S3 ray. Sorry, it is S1 ray, and here also it is here theta, whatever you have taken position, that position also, and all three will become parallel to each other. Bhanu Prasad, did you understand clearly, Bhanu Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Now angle between these two is theta. Angle between these two is theta. That means here if you take angle, it will become theta. So it is also theta. Let's see. One line you have to draw perpendicular to the S2P. The line we have drawn perpendicular to the S2P. S2P from S1. Now it is theta. It will become how much? It will become how much? Hello?
Sir, 90 minus theta?
Yeah, 90 minus theta. Then it will become what? 90, we have to draw perpendicular line. Okay, here you should remember, we should draw perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular line. That's the meaning. It is perpendicular. Then it is 90. Now see, it is 90. It is 90 minus theta. It will become how much? From this triangle, take that is M. From this triangle, it is 90 minus theta. It is 90. It is how much? From this triangle. It is how much? Hello,
Sir,
Kushi.
that is theta.
It is theta. It is theta now. Now, this is the gap. We can say it is the path difference. It is the path difference. How much that we don't know. Path difference that is. We have to calculate the path difference. Okay. Banu Prasad, did you understand clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Kushi,
Yes, sir.
did you understand clearly diagram?
Sir, the second triangle I didn't understand, sir, that you made.
No, Kushi. Actually, one of the line I have drawn from S1 to S2P perpendicular line. Okay, it is the perpendicular line. It is nothing but 90. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, what I have taken, it is the theta. If it is theta means it is 90 minus theta, right? It is theta. It is
Sir,
90.
what is the delta x, sir?
Delta x is the path difference. It is the path difference.
Sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, is that M, sir?
It is M. Take
Okay,
it is
sir.
M.
Okay, sir.
From here to here is R1. From here to here is R2. It is the path difference. That is delta x I have taken. Any doubt? Kushi? Likita?
Sir?
Any doubt, Likita?
No, sir. Understood.
Now, what is the first approximation? First assumption we have taken, this screen is very, very far from source. So what will happen means this ray, and this ray, all three rays will become parallel to each other. Okay. All three rays parallel to each other. That means if it is theta, it is also theta. Then it is also theta. So it will become like that. All three rays are parallel. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see second approximation. So if we know the theta from the first approximation, sine theta, can we calculate sine theta from it? Sine theta equal to, how much sine theta equal to? Opposite side. How much opposite side? From this theta we have to calculate. Is the theta from this triangle I am speaking. From the triangle S1 M S2. From the triangle S1 M S2. Angle M equal to 90. So from that sine theta, how much can you say? Hello? Harsh?
Sir,
Harsh, any doubt, Harsh?
no doubt, sir.
Clear, right? Now,
Yes,
can you
sir.
say what is the sine theta from here? Sine theta equal to opposite
Sir,
side by hypotenuse.
S2M.
S2M. S2M is nothing but delta x. S2M is nothing but delta x. Next.
Small d.
Small d. Okay. Okay, now from the triangle OAP, from the triangle OAP, at angle A is 90. Can you calculate tan theta from there? Tan theta equal to how much? From the triangle OAP, I am going to calculate tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. How much it is? Opposite side by adjacent side? Hello, Harsh.
Sir, y by big D.
Y by D. Okay. Now, second
Sir,
approximation.
big no, sir. Capital.
Yeah, capital D. Now, second
Sir?
approximation.
Yeah.
Tell me, ma. Sainika, tell me, ma.
Yeah, about the capital D only.
Okay, ma. Capital D. Now, second approximation I'm taking. The second approximation is. Did you write this?
Sir, one second, sir.
Yeah. First, draw the diagram clearly. After explain about the diagram, two sources S1 and S2, and one of the screen, the two sources, when it emits light, the two light rays meet at point P. And draw one perpendicular line from the sources to the screen. And the vertical position of the point is Y and angular position of the point is theta. So at t equal to 0 seconds, path difference is 0. After some time gap, there is a path difference. To calculate that path difference, first approximation I have taken, screen is very, very far from source. That means this D is very, very far from small d. So now whatever the lines are there, this line, OP line and SP line, these all three lines, this line and this line. S2P, OP, S1P. These three lines are parallel to each other. Once if it is parallel, then if it is theta, here also theta, here also theta only. So from that, I have drawn one of the perpendicular line to S2P. So from here sin theta I calculated. After from this triangle, I calculated tan theta I have written. Now what I am going to take one more approximation. That approximation is second approximation. Second approximation. Second approximation is Y is very, very smaller than D. Y is very, very smaller than D. Means this distance, when you are comparing with this distance, this distance is very, very small. So what is happening when it is happen like that, then theta will become very small. When it is very big and if it is very small, then theta is very small. Very small. Theta is very small. That is the second approximation. It is very big. If it is very small, that means theta is very small. If theta is very small, then sin theta is nearly equal. Sin theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Sin theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Sin theta, how much we have got? Sin theta is equal to dx by small d. Tan theta equal to y by d. From this dx is equal to yd by capital D. It is the path difference we have calculated. Path difference we have calculated after the two approximations. First approximation sin theta tan theta we have calculated. For the second approximation we have given sin theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Why? Because when vertical position is very small and this line, whatever the distance between the screen and source is very big, then theta will become very small. So we proved that. From that, dx by d sin theta equal to dy, then we have written like this. Any doubt? Kushi?
Nothing, sir.
Clear? Is it clear, Kushi? Hello, Kushi?
Yes, I don't know doubt, sir.
No. Likita?
Sir?
Any doubt, Likita?
No, sir.
What is the first approximation we have to take?
Sir, that the screen is very, very far from the source.
Yes. If we take screen is very, very far from the source, what will happen?
The rays will become parallel.
Yes, S2P and OP and S1P, this rays will become parallel. So if it is parallel, then what will happen if we take it is theta? It is also theta. It is also theta. Then one of the line you have to draw from S1 to S2P. That you have to give name M. Then if it is theta and it is 90, it will become 90 minus theta. If it is 90 minus theta and it is 90, then it will become theta. So theta, 90 minus theta, 90. So theta, sin theta we can calculate. And one more theta is here. We can calculate tan theta from it. So second approximation we have to take. This vertical position is a very, very, very smaller than distance between the screen and source. Then angle will become theta is a very, very small. Very small. Theta is very small. Then sin theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. Sin theta equal to tan theta equal to theta, or sin theta tan theta equal to tan theta. That's all. You can write like this. Then it is the path difference, and a very important thing. Path difference. Now see. Let's see now. Now you have to say now it is the path difference between the two sources or two light rays. Now is this point is bright fringe or dark fringe? To prove that, what we have to, when we can say that it is bright fringe or a constructive interference and it is destructive interference, when can you say like that? When can you say it is the constructive interference? Anybody can say when you can say it is constructive interference?
The phase difference is n lambda.
Phase difference? No. Phase difference nothing but n pi.
So path difference is n.
Yes, path difference is n phi. Now we got the path difference. That path difference delta x is equal to y d by d. So it should be n lambda. So y d by d equal to n lambda. It is there. Then that is the bright spot, a bright fringe, right? Hello. Y is what? Vertical position. Vertical position here. Let's see. Now from here, it is equal to this. That means bright spot. So where it will form? How to find out? If you want to find out where it will form, we have to find out y. So y, nth fringe, nth bright fringe equal to n lambda d by d. n lambda d by d. Hello? It is nothing but nth order bright fringe. Nth order bright fringe. We will see. It is the constructive interference. So first n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Likita,
Yes, sir.
is it clear, Likita?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to say it is bright or dark. If it is bright, what will happen? Path difference should be n lambda. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If path difference is n lambda, then it is the bright fringe. Yeah, bright fringe. Now in the bright fringe, where it will form? At what distance this bright fringe will form? If you want to find, then that vertical position is y, right? So this formula I am making like a y. Y equal to nth bright fringe. Nth bright fringe equal to, send this d, send this small d. You will get this formula. Sainika? Prisha?
Yes, sir.
Prisha, is it clear? Any doubt, Prisha?
No doubt, sir.
Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
To prove, now what we are going to calculate, at what distance this bright fringe will form. Second bright fringe, when it will form. Third bright fringe, when it will form. So we have taken the formula. Let's see. Now what is the formula we have? Nth fringe, nth bright fringe equal to n lambda by d by d. N equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, because we are constructing interference. So bright fringes will form. N value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that we know. So let n equal to 0. So y0 equal to, it will become 0. So it is B0. That is only B0. Central bright fringe. Central bright fringe means in the center bright fringe will form. Let n equal to 1. So y1 b equal to lambda d by d. So second b1 will form here. What is the distance here? That is lambda d by small d. It is b1. If we give -1, you will get b1 here. If we give 2, let's see. If let n equal to 2, if n equal to 2, y2 b equal to 2 lambda d by d. So b2 you will get here. That b2 distance from the center is 2 lambda d by capital D by small d. If you give -2, you will get b2 here. Understand everyone? Harsh?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Is there any confusion here? No, right?
No, sir.
So if you give minus values, you will get the fringes downward direction. If you give plus values, you will get in the top. That's all. Nothing is there. Now, this is the central bright fringe. It is the first bright fringe. It is the second bright fringe. The difference between two bright fringes. Can you say what is the difference between two bright fringes? How much? Anybody? So the difference between two bright fringes is nothing but fringe width. Fringe width. That fringe width is denoted with letter beta. Fringe width is nothing but the difference between the two bright fringes. Can you say what is the difference between any two bright fringes? Two successive bright fringes. Either this to this or either this to this. Can you say how much it is? Beta equal to? Rachana? Anirudh? Anirudh? Hello? Anirudh? Anirudh, when you are free, call to this number. WhatsApp number, okay? I will explain to you. Okay, Anirudh? Hello? Anirudh, send me SMS. Is it okay? Call to that number. I will explain to you. Tejaswini?
Sir.
Any doubt, Tejaswini, till now?
No, sir.
So the distance between the difference between the two bright fringes, how much? 0 minus lambda d by d is nothing but you will get lambda d by d only. So it is the path fringe width. Fringe width equal to lambda d by d. Let's see, we will solve dark fringes. Now we have to solve about the dark fringes. See that. Banu Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, ma?
No, sir.
Is there any confusion there?
No, sir. No, sir. Understood.
Come to dark fringes. So dark fringe means how to calculate dark fringe? We have formula path difference equal to lambda capital D by small d, right? How much we got? Path difference, how much we got? Hello?
Why small d by capital D, sir?
Why not? Path difference. Path difference, this is what we got, right? Path difference equal to lambda d by capital D by small d. Now, if this path difference delta x is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, then this point will become what?
Dark fringe.
Dark fringe. It will become dark fringe. Okay. So now see lambda
Sir, it should be pi by 2.
no. It is the formula.
Why small d by capital D, sir?
Yes. Why? Small d by capital D. Yes. Why small d by capital D? Why small d by capital D? So why small d by capital D equal to 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Okay. Here n equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on. So let, if you want to, how much distance, at what distance a dark fringe is forming, at what distance dark fringe will form, V y n equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2 into capital D by small d. At what distance you will get the dark fringe? It is the vertical position. So dark fringe, if you want to get dark fringe, nth dark fringe formula, it is the nth dark fringe formula. Let, it is the path difference, that is okay. Now path difference equal to this much is the dark, what will happen? Destructive interference. Now at what place you will get the dark fringe? At what place means we have to characterize the vertical position. So vertical position, remaining terms you have to send. You will get this. Let n equal to 1 you have to place. So y1 into d equal to 2 into 1. You will get lambda d by 2d. Let n equal to 2. N equal to 2 means y2 into d equal to 2. If you place 2 into 2, 4. So 3 lambda by 2 capital D by small d. Like that, n equal to 3, like that you have to place. Now what is the fringe width? Fringe width. Fringe width beta equal to fringe width between the two dark fringes. What is the difference between these two dark fringes? Can you say? Hello? Can you say what is the difference between these two? 3 lambda by 2 capital D by small d minus lambda d by, how much will you get?
D lambda by D, sir.
D lambda by, how much will get?
Lambda d by d only, sir.
Lambda d by d. So bright fringe, how much difference we got?
Same, sir.
So here between this what will happen means dark fringe 1, dark fringe 2, dark fringe 3. So between these bright fringes dark fringe will form. So how it will form means, if it is the plate, constructive interference, destructive interference. Constructive interference, these lines are destructive interference. Constructive, destructive. Constructive, destructive. Constructive, destructive. What is the difference between these two lines? Between these two also same difference will be there. So we can say like that, fringe width between dark fringes and bright fringes are same. Anirudh, I given
Yes,
you,
sir.
yeah, Anirudh, I give a number. When you are free, call me. I will explain the WhatsApp. Okay. I think your network is very problematic, right?
Yes, sir.
Call to this number, Anirudh. Okay. When you are free, I will explain.
So actually, I got cleared, sir. Like, I got the points what you were telling me, but I was unable to.
Yeah. No problem. If whenever you are free, call me. Okay. I will explain to you.
Yes, sir. I have to. Then I'll call you.
Okay, ma. Huh? Anybody, if you have any doubt, and Tejas, you sent me like G sine theta k equal to, where did you see this? dark fringes. Even dark fringe, this is also, it is correct. Dark fringes means when it will form, dark fringes will form when the path difference is destructive interference. So path difference equal to, it is the destructive interference. Then when path difference is equal to this, then it is called destructive interference. So path difference means this is what the path difference. It is equal to this. That is nothing but a destructive interference. Now, yet destructive interference means we will get the dark fringe. So dark fringe at what distance you will get? If you want to find the at what distance you will get, then you have to find out y. It is the position. Okay. If you want more than that, if you want the angular position, if you want to find, by D you have to do what, whenever you have, if you get this by D you have to do. This is correct. Even bright fringes and dark fringes, it is correct. Correct explanation it is. So at what distance you will get the dark fringe means use this formula. It is very easy.
Sir, that for this is for dark fringe, sir. YD by D into 2n minus 1 by lambda.
Yes, it is for dark fringe. Means it is destructive interference. Destructive interference. It is what? Path difference, right? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
It is the path difference, right?
Yes, sir.
If this path difference equal to this much, it is nothing but a destructive interference that we learned in the interference, right? If a path difference equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, that is nothing but destructive interference. In the destructive interference, you will get the dark fringe. So dark fringe at what distance you will get? At what distance you will get the dark fringe means you have to calculate y. So y and d equal to, send these terms. It will become, it will gives the position of the dark fringe. First dark fringe position, when you give 1, when you give n equal to 2, you will get the second dark fringe position. When you give n equal to 3, you will get the third dark fringe position. So like that, when you are getting the distance between the successive dark fringes will give the fringe width. That fringe width is lambda capital D by small d. Even bright fringes width also, you will get the same thing. Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
If you have any other doubt in the diagram or anything, anytime you can call me. Okay?
Yes, I got it, sir. It was two assumptions we need to take.
Two assumptions we need to take. Yeah, yesterday I didn't explain, day before yesterday I didn't explain, right? That's why I explained. Even though, Anirudh, no problem, okay? For me, no problem. If anybody send a question or anything, I will solve whenever I am free. Okay? There
Yes,
is no
sir.
issue in that. So like that, dark fringes and bright fringes, where dark fringe will form, where bright fringe will form. If you want to find out, you have to do these things. This is nothing but the theory of fringes. Let's see. If you don't understand properly, please call me. Whenever you are free, call me. Then send first SMS. Sir, can we call like that? Because you can't call to that number, just WhatsApp it is. So whenever I am free, I will call you and explain. Mostly daytime I am very free. In the college itself, from the college I will explain to you. Any doubt, that is previous topics or anything, if you want, just call me. I will explain. First you try to see the videos. Even if you don't get, then call me. I will explain. No problem for me. Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
What is the first assumption that we have to take?
So it's like very close to each other. The
Which
lines
one?
are almost parallel.
Very close. Next,
So the y is very small.
y is very small means what is happening?
Theta is very small.
Yeah,
So that
obviously,
sine
because
theta
when the radius is
tan
increasing,
theta.
arc is decreasing, theta will become small, right?
Yes, sir.
In that manner. Okay, and that points keep in mind, then you will get answer. Okay, because two
Yes, sir.
approximations we have to take to solve that. Sorry for that yesterday and the day before yesterday I didn't explain that. Now let's see. Okay, now problems based on Young's double slit experiment. Try to solve this problem. First question. In Young's double slit experiment, while using a source of light of wavelength 5000 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. The fringe width obtained, obtained is 0.6 meters. Fringe width. If the distance between the screen and slit is reduced to half, what should be the wavelength of source to get fringes 0.003 meters width, wide. See once what they have given. Please try to read the question because we have the formulas. Fringe width formula they have given the fringe width. Let's see solution given. What they have given? Wavelength they have given. Wavelength equal to lambda is nothing but into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters they have given. So it is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. That's what they have given. And wavelength they have given. Width also they given. Fringe width how much they given? Beta equal to 0.6 meters. Right, actually it is centimeters. So 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 centimeters, or you can write 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 centimeters width.
So meters, no?
Even meters or centimeters they given. If you want
So
even
we
meters.
converted into meters.
Mm,
So unit meters.
meters, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
so when they have given beta and lambda, so what can we calculate from here? What formula we have? We have formula beta equal to lambda capital D
D
by
by D.
capital D by small d or small d by capital D by small d.
Capital D by small d.
Now here D how much given? If D dash equal to D by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
The distance between screen and slit is reduced to half. Then what will happen? Then they are given beta dash equal to beta dash how much they given?
0.003 meter.
0.003 meters they have given. Lambda we have to calculate. Lambda dash equal to how much, right?
Yes, sir.
Then this one you have to write 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. It's better. Lambda dash. So formula, what can we do formula? One lambda they given. One lambda we have to calculate. One beta they given. Second beta also they given. D they given. D dash they have given. So when they have given two times, so
The small d will be the same in both the formulas, so we can
yes.
substitute them.
Now from here can we say lambda equal to beta D by capital D? Lambda equal to beta D by capital D. Lambda dash equal to beta dash D dash, right? And the source, they didn't give any sources between it is same, I think. Slit is reduced to half. What should be the get in the fringes source? Yeah, D is same. D1 equal to D dash. So D and D dash. D equal to D dash. D equal to D dash. Now what is the formula? Lambda capital D by small d equal to lambda dash sorry, lambda by lambda dash equal to beta D by D by beta D dash D by D dash, lambda by lambda dash. How much we will get? Here D dash means write that. How much is the D dash? DD. So lambda by lambda dash equal to beta by D by beta dash by D by 2. So what will happen here? Lambda by lambda dash equal to beta by 2 beta dash. So from this we have to calculate lambda dash. So from here lambda dash equal to 2 beta dash by beta into lambda. Lambda dash equal to 2 into beta dash 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters by beta. Beta how much? 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Lambda how much? Into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. You have to solve.
Sir, we get same, sir. 5 into 10 power minus 7 meter.
5 into 10 to the power of minus 7, ma? Yes. Get cancel. So 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. 2 into 3, 6. 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3. You will get cancel. Yeah. Correct. So lambda dash equal to 5. That is the answer. Did you understand this type of method when they have given two values? If you want to calculate the other one. Hello? Anirudh? Likita?
Yes, sir.
Understand that question? How to solve this type of questions?
Yes, sir.
So just if you know, when they have given two values, problems will be like this. What they are asking, according to that, we have to change the formula. One more question. Prisha? Prisha?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Prisha?
No doubt, sir.
One more problem. One more model. This problem we should try to do. Second one. In Young's double slit experiment, the fringes are formed at a distance of 1 meter from the double slit from the double slit separation (0.12 millimeter). Calculate the distance of third dark band or fringe, third dark band from the center of the screen, given lambda equal to angstroms. So what formula we have to use here? Dark fringe. What they are asking, distance from the separation of, calculate the distance of the third dark fringe. So what formula can we use? Can you say that? Hello.
So,
Mm.
sir, I was disconnected. So, like, what was the answer for the first question?
First question answer, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, can you say what is the formula we have to use to find the third dark band or dark fringe? Band or fringe, no problem. What is the formula we have to find out the dark fringes?
Beta is
Y equal to distance. Here they are asking distance of third.
y is equals to so I am taking 2n plus 1 by
1
no,
lambda
lambda by d by 2d.
capital D will
Here, yes, sir. Here n is from 0, comma 1, comma 2.
here then here it will become n equal to 0
0,
comma 1 comma 2. Otherwise y equal to 2n
2n
minus
minus
1
1.
lambda d by small d, from here n equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Anything we can take, or this one you can take. Now they are asking third. So when you are using this formula, what is the third one? Here n is how much? Can you say n is how much here?
2
2.
for the third one.
If you take this formula, then n equal to
3.
3. So remember like that. So let from the first formula, let n equal to 2, then y equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 lambda how much? 6000 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meters. D distance how much? The distance of 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter, 1 meter by 2 into d small d, separation of slits.
0.1 millimeter.
Yeah, 0 point milli, you have to 0.12 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Okay, milli is nothing but 10 to the
The
power
answer is 2.5 millimeters.
of answer is
2.5 millimeters.
millimeters. Are you saying in millimeters?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since everything we convert into meters only, no? Say in meters.
2.5 into 10 power minus 3 meters.
Is it 5 into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 5 by 0.2 into 0.12 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. (15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 by you can write this is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 5 you will get 1 point something, right?
Sir, there lambda 6000 into 10 power minus 10 no, sir.
Have you taken centimeters? 10 meters. Is it in 10 meters? So it will become like how much it is? 7. It is 7. Then you will get, see, now see how much you will get. In meters, how much will you get? Definitely 2 point you won't get.
So 1.25.
1.25
25
meters or centimeters?
centimeters.
Now everything we are doing in the meters wise, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you are doing this, you will get 0.15, sorry, 1.5 by 12 you will get. So you will get 0.125 like that you will get in meters. So 1.25 in centimeters. .25 you should get in the centimeters. Check once clearly. Do slowly and check once that.
So 12.5 in centimeters, right? Into 10 to the power 2.
12.5. 12.5. Tell me, Anand.
It's in centimeters 12.5. Right?
No,
Because
1.25 you should get.
if we convert 12.5 centimeter in meters, we'll get 0.125.
Okay, 0.0125. No need to do 0.0125 actually. Do the calculation properly, this one.
So I'll do it.
Do this problem. See, 5 into 10 to the power of, it is the 5. So 5 into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 by 0.24
So
10 to the power
1.5.
of minus 3. Now see, find out how much it is. Mm. 630. So 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by 2.4. So it will become 0.03 by 2.4. You will get 0.01. 1 is there. So something 5 like that. You will 1, 2, 5 meters. So 1.25 centimeters. Yeah, 1.25 centimeters you will get. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Calculation do slowly, then you will get idea. One more sum. It is the homework to you. See that. You can do very easily this. Monochromatic light of,
Sir,
tell me ma, wavelength 5000 angstroms from a narrow slit is incident on two double slits if the separation of the fringe, if the separation of 10 fringes on screen 1 meter away is 2 centimeter. Find the slit separation. Find the slit separation. Find the slit separation. Solution given. I will write lambda they given 5000 angstroms, change into meters 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters.
Sir, we have done this question, sir.
We did this question. Now tell me what is the D equal to 1 meter. Tell me beta how much?
69.
What is the beta? If the separation of 10 fringes on screen 1 meter away is 2 centimeter by 10. That is nothing but beta. Nothing but 0.2 centimeters. Nothing but 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. Small d how much? You can calculate now because you have formula.
2 into 10 power minus 3 meters, sir.
How much will you get?
No, sir, beta is 2 into 10 power minus 3 meters.
Yes. Then calculate d. Small d. You have formula. Basing on that, try to calculate that. These are the model sums. Definitely one sum is guarantee on this Young's double slit experiment. One sum is guarantee. 5 mark question. Okay, it is 5 mark question to everyone. Yeah, good, Anirudh. Okay, so try to solve. Remember like this. Except after this concept, now we have only 2 other concepts are there. One is diffraction we have to do, and polarization. I'm going to explain that in the Saturday. I'm not going to give any revision on this anything. but next examination will be there on wave optics. Okay, mostly tomorrow I'm going to send important questions from the wave optics in the group. Okay, let's see now what topics we had. I explained to you everything. Mostly try to solve that. If you have any doubts or anything that if you don't understand the any concept, please tell to me. Send a
So,
SMS. Tell me, Anirudh.
so when we'll have test for chapter 4, 5, 6?
Anirudh, I forgot to tell you. Why didn't you attend in the last class?
So that last test, so I didn't revise for AC current, so because I was doing that chapter 8, that I missed it. So
Okay.
I
Then
was
when
doing that.
in the next test, will you attend to wave
Yes,
optics?
sir, I'll attend. Wave optics, it's clear. I attended all classes, right?
Okay,
That's
okay. And
and
now also you have, if you have any doubt in that fringes, ask me, Anirudh. Okay, no problem.
no, sir, it's all
Because whenever
clear.
if you
So.
ask, we will feel happy only, right? I felt so happy that the way you ask questions. So you should maintain each and every concept. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma.
So when we'll have chapter 4, 5, 6 tests, because in the our midterms are going to come, so in that the test will be conducted for those chapters. So it will be a revision for
Tell
us.
me, what are the chapters?
Chapter 4, 5, 6.
Moving charges and magnetism,
Yeah, magnetism and
electromagnetic
matter.
induction,
Magnetism and matter.
magnetism and matter.
Yes, sir. These three chapters, and I'm not
So,
confirm about the electromagnet.
so,
Okay, remaining persons. Kushi, tell me, ma.
so we have our first term starting from October 12th, and we have first like full book with, and then second book, first two chapters, ray optics and wave optics, both.
Okay.
First book fully we have, and then second book, two chapters.
Okay, then everything we should learn, even it is useful to Anirudh also. Remaining, anybody? Anybody has any exams? Exams are there? What are the topics? Hello, please everyone. If you have any examination on any other topic, can you say that? So by this month, ending of this month, we have to write even nearly two tests. So next test basing on the wave optics, I will give the all important questions and all important model problems. From that I will give, and next test basing on moving charges and magnetism and matter and magnetism. Anirudh,
So,
okay?
yes, sir. So
Yeah.
you can conduct test like after the class or before the class,
Yes. In the
so that our class also don't get disturbed. We can even complete the portion, and at the same time we even do test.
okay, and mostly we have completed portions. We are in the by next month we can complete even portions also. We have no problem in that.
Yes, sir. I
Uh,
had one more doubt. Sir, the chapter 11, 12, and 13, that new modern chemistry, it's a long chapters or it's a
modern
short
physics.
chapter?
Modern
Yes,
physics.
sir. Modern physics.
No,
It's a
it's small only. Small itself. We can complete.
all three chapters are small, right,
Yes,
sir?
mostly. I don't say it's small. It is
But as
moderate.
compared to the starting few
As
chapters.
comparing with these lessons, that lessons are little small only.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
because I saw those syllabus, like I even study few parts from the YouTube
And
part.
Anirudh,
So,
what about that? Whatever they have deleted the portions.
so deleted portions. I am studying everything because for JEE everything will
Base.
come.
Yes. That's why we are also
So,
teaching everything.
so while studying for boards, I'll just remove those topics which are not coming. Like for revising for boards, I'll just remove those topics which are not coming. We have the list of deleted topics.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. We will. I will try my level best to complete each and everything. Okay, even you have to read. So get ready for next test, that is basing on wave optics. By next class, mostly I will try to complete the portion. Okay, don't absent that next class. Okay, see you in the next class, ma.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.